If you're using a Xiaomi Redmi and want your emojis to look more like iPhone emojis, don't skip this video. Today I'll show you how to use Font 3 to apply the iOS emoji style on your Redmi. The process is quick, but there are a few steps that are easy to miss. I'll show you exactly where to find the iPhone emoji pack, how to apply it, and what to do if the emojis don't change immediately.